So I made the mistake of answering my phone on my day off. And of course, it was Herman. Herman has some questions and wants some help putting together his newest project. So I said, come on over, but it's Monday. It's my day off. I don't leave the house. So he took an Uber. And guess who's here? Herman. That's not Herman. Well, there he is. Oh, joy. Get to spend time with Herman on my day off. And the boy is naked today. But he does have his bow tie on. And he's got his machine. Oh, look. Oh, I see his project he wants to work on. He wants to work on the new Riley Blake table runner. So I guess I'll be helping him today. Let's get him in the house and get him upstairs. Hey, Herman. Come on in. So Herman's super excited since his Uber dropped him off with his bringing a 325 and his little kit. So we're going to look and see if we can help Herman out and get him started cutting and piecing his adorable little witch's feet table runner. It's Riley Blake. This is actually part of his collection that he's pictured in. However, in the table runner, I don't believe he's in the fabrics that are used here. So in the Riley Blake kit, it has all of the fabric needed. I don't believe it contains a backing because kits normally don't. But we'll go ahead and look at all the fabrics and what else is in the kit. So the Witch's Feet Table Runner pattern. So it's a finished 14 by 54 inch table runner. So it's got all the requirements for all the cutting. So Herman's not very good at cutting. I don't know if you noticed, but his hands don't work too good. He's a little old. He is a mummy. Well, we're going to help him out. That's why the Uber dropped him off here. So we're going to help him cut out all of his fabric. It's very detailed on the fabrics. They show you pictures and everything where everything's going to be. So we'll cut what we need. And then you can see all the prints. We've got a few solids, a few of the moons, some of the diamonds, and his adorable little background. So Brawley Blake patterns are really easy. They even have some QR codes that can help you to follow a link to help you do certain techniques. Like this one's a snowball corner, which is very easy. But if you are very new, like Herman, this would be perfect for Herman. Perfect for beginner quilter. Look, there's multiple QR codes for half square triangles. They've done a really good job. They've really amped up their game when it came to their kits, even though their kits are usually really good to begin with. But so we'll get Herman started at cutting, opening up his fabric, and getting started. Herman's doing a really good job at cutting so far. I'm teaching him how to properly use the rotary cutter. His little hand's a little small for it, but he's making it work. He's a little slow, but that's okay. I try and tell him, the slower you go, the more precise everything is. There's no need to rush. I would say we've got all day, but I really don't want to be up here with them all day. So I've got some gardening things I need to do, which he may make his way out there with me too, no telling. But he's doing a really good job using his creative grid ruler. For right now, I'm showing how to easily make and cut 2.5-inch squares using his Olfa rotary cutter. And I told him that this is one of the best rotary cutters to use because it's nice and safe. The blade only retracts when you pull the handle, and as soon as you lay it down, the handle releases and then the blade is no longer exposed. Because in the classroom, it's kind of dangerous to have some of those rotary cutters that the blade is always exposed until you physically close it. Many of us have cut ourselves accidentally when customers have left them open and exposed on the table and hidden under fabric. So that's why we recommend the Olfa style, or at least this style rotary cutter. But his little hands are doing a really good job at cutting his pieces. Well, you can see he's shaking it with excitement. He's all finished cutting. It took him a while, but he's a little slow. No big deal. But everything looked great. So he's got all his pieces cut, and he got some excess. So the orange is actually for the binding. There's a little bit that he did use here, but he does have some excess fabric, which he can use to make a pillow or something. Like he needs another pillow, but he knows how to make pillows, so go for it, Herman. So I'll get him set up and he'll start sewing. Herman's doing a great job at chain piecing. It's a new technique I'm teaching him. So we're doing half square triangles. So he drew a line. See, he's showing you his little line that he drew. And so we stitch a 1/4 inch on one side, and then we just chain piece. So we just keep adding another piece. And we'll have to keep cutting our thread. And then we're coming back again and stitching another 1/4 inch on the other side of our line that we drew. We're using our number 37 foot. Perfect foot because it does not have a guide. It's perfect for doing half square triangles because you don't really need that guide. But Herman's doing a great job at guiding his fabric with his little 335, doing his little project. Getting close to being done. Well, Herman got all of his pieces cut out and he got one of the 3 blocks done. So the table runner has 3 witch feet blocks with 3 different sock styles. He got one of them done, so now he knows what he's doing. He's got all his pieces cut. He really shouldn't have to cut anything else. He's ready to go. His Uber actually will be arriving. Oh, it's a Lyft. Oh, Lyft was cheaper this afternoon, apparently, he said. So his Lyft will be here in about 5 minutes, which means I need to get his machine packed up, his rest of his fabric packed up back in the little box in which it came. So his Lyft will be here soon to come pick him up. All right, everybody have a good one. Hope you enjoyed watching Herman construct his little witch feet table runner. I'm sure he'll post a picture on social media at some point with it all finished. But it shouldn't take him much longer. He's got one block done and everything cut. So say goodbye, Herman.